Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are doing something different, something general that is for everyone. Now we are not talking about a custom ROM, a routing method or installing TWRP. We are going to talk about wallpapers today. Now recently there were some beautiful wallpapers which were released on 3 different occasions. One of them was the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro live wallpapers coming into the picture. Then we had the OnePlus 10 Pro wallpapers coming up, and MIUI 13 was launched, so those wallpapers are available as well. Now the question is, how do you get those wallpapers on your device without rooting your phone, without unlocking the bootloader, or without doing anything of that sort? Now I thought that, rather than making 3 separate 5-minute videos, let's make one video in which I will show you how to install each one of those and get the maximum collection of the latest wallpapers on your Android device. This should work on absolutely any Android phone, and you will not have any problems doing that. The links are mentioned in the description. So before we get into the details, if you haven't already, please subscribe, because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. If you think you like chatting with like-minded people, please join us on Telegram. We have more than 1,500 people over there. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so we have to install a bunch of APKs over here, and I have actually compressed them in a single zip so you don't have the hassle of downloading files. Now let me show you what all is needed. First of all, you need a phone which is charged and you have access to your phone. Just use your phone. That's logical. So over here you need something called a Z Archiver. It's free. You can download it from the Play Store. So I've installed the APK because I'm not signed into my Google account in this particular device. So let me show you here, Z Archiver. There you go. Let's go ahead and install Z Archiver first. Okay. Once you've installed Z Archiver, I will show you what exactly needs to be done. Now over here, these are all the wallpapers that you will need. But what I've done here is you have something called as wallpapers.zip. This is the file that you need to download once you've installed Z Archiver. Alright, so click on the wallpapers.zip and select extract here. Now, because I have all the files already extracted, it is asking me to replace. I'm going to replace all of them. Depending on your device and the performance of your phone, it will take some time, right? Now, as you can see, all the wallpapers are extracted over here. The unfortunate part is we will have to install all of them one by one. Now, if you are on MIUI, if you're not on a custom ROM like, ASP based ROM, the first thing you should install is Google Android Apps Wallpaper APK. So go ahead and install it. Settings, allow the installation using this particular source. Secure, super secure MIUI operating system giving us a warning there. Okay, go back and install this. Let's select done. All right. Now, if you go to download once again, you will see that you have all these wallpapers. So one by one, I'll start installing them. Install. So we've done one dark. Now we'll do one light, 2 dark, and then 3 OnePlus 10 Pro wallpapers one by one. And then 1 APK for Pixel 6 wallpapers. Install. All right, now we've installed all the APKs we need. So we are on MIUI. On MIUI, we need to go to this app called Wallpapers, allow access. Okay, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, go to live wallpapers. Now, one by one, you will start seeing these are the Google wallpapers. These are all MIUI 13 wallpapers, and these are OnePlus 10 Pro wallpapers. So if you click on set wallpaper, home screen and lock screen, there you go. It is already set. Now let's see here. Okay, so it appeared on the lock screen for me right away, but for some people it will not be visible on the lock screen if you're using MIUI. In that case, what you need to do is open your camera, okay, go to video, record a video of 1 or 2 seconds, stop this, go to the main screen, then go to gallery, go to that particular video, go to more, set as video wallpaper, apply, set both. Okay, now if you go to the lock screen, you will see that video wallpaper is applied, and then you can actually go to the Google wallpaper chooser, live wallpapers, select this MIUI wallpaper. There you go, in all its glory, looking beautiful and working absolutely fine on the home screen and lock screen. Now remember, this works on Android 12 custom ROMs as well. This works on Android 11 custom ROMs as well. As long as you have the Google wallpaper picker, this will definitely work for you. If you are on MIUI, follow the process that I showed in this particular video. Very simple trick. It will give you access to so many beautiful wallpapers. Let me know in the comment section if this trick is helpful for you. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.